What's happening, everybody? Luis here, and on this clip I'm going to show you how from one photo walk you can gather both samples for your textures on your photographs, and you can also capture a lot of both space, nature, landscape, seascape, cloudscape. There's so many categories you can capture in photography from just a simple photo walk down the street outside your house. There's literally endless ways to create in photography, like I've told you before. And so Adam said it, and I'm kind of trying to carry on that message to you, to inspire you to get out there and shoot, because there are so many ways that you can create in photography. So check this out.